Hello, Warren. Hello, Charlie. My name is Doug Patterson. I'm from here in Omaha. I teach down the road at the University of Nebraska at Omaha, and I teach in theater, which is also the greatest job in the world. And I have to say that I enjoy the theater you provide every year. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Just sitting here, there's so many questions that come to those of us who've been sitting here for 3 or 4 hours. I've got three very disconnected questions.
Okay, we'll do them one at a time.
Cool. In terms of these tech stocks, you say that you don't understand them. Can you say if you think, I can't imagine you not understanding something.
Oh, we understand the product. We
Yeah.
understand what it does for people. We just don't know the economics of it 10 years from now. You can understand all kinds. You can understand steel. You can understand home building. But if you look at a home builder and try and think where it's going to be in 5 or 10 years, the economics of it, that's another question. It's not a question of understanding the product they turn out, means they use to distribute it, all of those sort of things. It's the predictability of the economics of the situation 10 years out, and that's our problem.
Right, and I'm not trying to provoke you into doing it. I'm glad you haven't, because I probably would have gone into cardiac arrest this last couple of months.
Yeah, well, so would we.
Yeah. So your projection is that you are not going to try to make an attempt to understand that. You think is it not comprehensible? Is that it? It's not
Yeah,
comprehensible?
every business I look at, I think about its economics. It's built into me. It's built into Charlie. So it isn't like when if I'm with Andy Grove, or actually I knew Bob Noyce back at Grinnell in 1968 and 69 when they were starting Intel. When he talked to me about starting Intel, or anybody talks to me about a business, I think about its economics. I'll think about the economics of UNO, if we talk for 3 or 4 minutes. So it isn't that we shut off the valve. It's just that we don't get any place. We don't know what it'll look like. And it's, there are a lot of things in life that they're just beyond comprehension for many of us. And
so you'd say that nobody really probably can understand this where it'll be in 10 years. Nobody could understand.
We would be very skeptical about it. Yeah, I would say that, and incidentally, my friend Bill Gates would say the same thing. And actually, Bob Noyce Bob died some years ago, or Andy Grove, they would say the same thing. I've taken long walks with Andy, and they would not want to put down on paper their predictions about where 10 companies you would choose in the tech field would be in 10 years in terms of their economics. They would say that's too hard.